There's fun in learning around the bend. You could even do it with your best friend. If there's science stuff that you like to know, come watch Allie and CoCo Science Show.
Okay guys, so to start off the broth, I've got some carrots and onion, garlic, green onion from my garden, and the bottoms of Swiss chard I started cutting, and then I was like, ooh, I should film. So there's a bottom of some Swiss chard from my dinner last night. So I'm gonna chop all these up. One thing I did here is if you leave the skin on garlic and onion, it actually works really well in broth. Gonna chop these and oh wait. Look at that. Oh my god, who did that? It was me. Okay, so I've chopped everything and I left the skin on again, more flavor. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a tablespoon of olive oil in this pot. Hi. And then I'm going to cook everything, add a couple spices like salt and add a couple spices like salt, some thyme and rosemary. And I'm gonna throw it all together and let it boil for like 30 minutes, and then I'll have some broth. My little sous chef, can you drop it? I'm gonna clean that. Can you drop? All right, personal opinion, guys. I wish America would just move on to the metric system. What are we still doing with 2 quarts being 8 cups and 12 inches being a foot? That makes no sense, but going by tens would make a lot more sense. So I've been roasting my veggies a little bit. It's starting to smell really good. And what I'm gonna do is throw in 2 quarts of water, which is 8 cups, which is this much. This much. So just gonna throw that in with a little shake of salt. Ooh, it got quiet. And now I just turn on low, let it simmer, uncovered, for 30 minutes. All right, guys. Oh, Colette's coming. So I've been letting this kind of simmer for a while. It smells so good. It smells like Thanksgiving. So now what I'm gonna do is, you're coming with me with the pot. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to strain it. Oh, look, dirty dishes. So, I've got all my veggies here, which are going to be composted with the banana that I ate for breakfast. And now I can put it in a container. So let's do that. So the only other container I had, not ideal, was this like old to-go container my parents had that I stole. So I'm just gonna pour that in, and I'll probably use this one first, just so I don't like drop it. So we made 2 quarts, a little over 2 quarts of homemade, delicious smelling broth. Okay, so I did the math, and this right here is the broth I use. Trader Joe's, it's pretty cheap. It's like $2.30. Other places for organic veggie broth can be $3.50 even. It's obscene, and for only 1 quart. So let's multiply that by 2. So say $4 to $5, not 45, Colette. $4 to $5. So, I spent maybe like 70 cents on onion. Green onion was free. Garlic was like 50 cents for for 2 cloves. And I only used like a half of one. Carrots, probably about 50. Basically, I spent less than $1 to make 2 quarts. So, I'm pretty proud of myself. So all it took was a little extra time, about 30 minutes, and it tastes so good. I can't wait to use it in my rice. So, success! The other thing is how much I saved. So, like, waste-wise. This, I'm gonna compost all of it. The banana was not in the broth, again. Also, the container for that broth is waxed paper, which is not recyclable in my area. The lid is recyclable, so if you do have broth, make sure you take the lid off, throw it in the recycling. If you can recycle wax paper in your area, please don't forget. But guys, this was like one of the easiest cooking things I've ever done. Foolproof, delicious, cheap. Make 2 quarts of broth for $1. That's all I'm saying.